bounds.
Hello, welcome once again. Thank you for joining the channel. I am Callie Kane, and I'm going to talk a little bit real quick. As you know, silver is definitely what I am always suggesting that you hedge your future, protect yourself, protect your assets, safeguard your retirement, keep your finances, your money, and your future out of the hands of the nefarious individuals that want to devalue our currency and appropriate wealth for the few. So I'm gonna real quick talk about the silver. If you see today, what's going on, this is October 7th, 2016. So we're entering the last quarter of this year, and we're about to enter into not just the first quarter of 2017, but also a new administration. If we look at what has happened the past few administrations, or at least the last one with this change, we can speculate and we can see that more than likely what's going to happen with the silver prices, all the precious metal prices really, but specifically the silver price, what I have been saying will outperform the other precious metals, is it's going to go up. It's going to go up possibly a significant amount in 2017. If you watch some of my videos, you will see that I pretty much speculated that the silver was going to ride right around that $20 mark up to the end of the year, which it has. And now, actually, very interesting, in the past few days, silver's actually dropped down. It's now to about $17.30 an ounce, which for us, the stackers, the precious metal purchasers, that's good because it gives us more purchasing opportunity and more the ability to get more for our dollar. And when our dollar goes down, when the faith of the dollar decreases, because of either the interest rate from the interest height from the feds, or just a complete destabilization of our economy with what might be happening socioeconomically, geopolitically. But I mean, it's pretty much understood by most informed individuals here in America and abroad as well, that the dollar can't really sustain much more of its current status. And it's definitely losing its power as a world currency, as a world reserve currency. What I'm thinking is likely to happen is the yuan, in the Asian markets, may gain a foothold as the world's reserve currency. So on top of silver, if you're looking to invest, it might not hurt you to go to the foreign exchange in your area and trade, maybe a couple $100 or $100. That's all you got, just trade it out for some yuan. Maybe get some other foreign exchange, maybe some euros. It wouldn't hurt to have that in your portfolio, in your pocket, in your tin can, buried in your backyard, under your bed, in the safe deposit box, wherever it is that you keep it. But that was what I wanted to cover on that. This is a good time to be getting your silver. If you're looking to make a big purchase of silver, do it now. Do it now. I really do not see us going lower than maybe, we might hit about $16. We might hit somewhere around there. I just don't see that really happening. But then again, this is not a realistic market. Anything can happen at this point. We can't, speculate based on trends and traditions. We can't really speculate on that. More, what we should do is to understand what's going on in the bigger picture with everything. Another thing that I would like to suggest too is, if you do like a little bit more of the riskier markets and you're thinking that you do want to go ahead and put some money into a stock or into a company, I would suggest that you go and you look at some of these mining companies, some of the acquisition companies. that could be a very good payoff for you, because if you look at them compared to the Standard & Poor, the S&P 500, if you look at just the mining companies alone, you can see that if you would have invested this last couple years just into those companies, you would have seen, or since 2008, you would have seen a huge increase in your profits over the S&P 500. So if you wanted to keep your money in the markets and you want to play a little riskier game with some, better dividend, better payoffs, that would be one of the ones I would say it would be fairly safe to do. However, I always suggest stay away from the paper markets. If you don't hold it, you don't own it.